Okay, this video is on how to discover where the traffic or where your viewers are coming from and how to use certain keywords and tags to increase your viewership. And they've done some interesting things, but you have to go to the Beta Studio. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from Creator Studio Classic to YouTube Studio Beta. There we are. So once it loads, we're going to go over to the left-hand side, and we're going to go just underneath our icon. You got your dashboard, you got your videos, then you have analytics. So I'm going to go ahead and press on analytics. And this is going to give you your overview. It shows you how many, what your watch time in minutes are, the views, subscribers up or down, your estimated revenue, things like that. It shows your top videos. But what I want to do is I want to go and find out where the traffic is coming from. And this is the interesting thing. So, traffic source, YouTube search. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to find out what people put in the search bar to discover our video. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at these. They're telling us that 12% was Video Manager, Karate Black Belt, Fluid Master Universal Toilet Repair Kit, and Black Belt Karate. So let's go ahead and just click on this. It's going to pull up a new page that has all of these searches here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down and we're going to look and see what people were searching in the search bar with. So the number one search was Video Manager. In the last 30 days there was 3,432 searches for that. The next one was Karate Black Belt, 584. Then we go down, we see there's the Fluid Master Toilet Repair Kit, Black Belt Karate, Video Manager option in YouTube. A lot of people search for that. And as you can see, you can go down and you can see all the different keywords that they use. So it's important to take some of these ideas and put them in your title or to put them in your tags and in the body of the description of the video. And you're going to get more people who are searching being taken to your video. Let's go back. All right, so it shows how many impressions, views, and watch time in minutes. Over here, it shows your traffic source. Well, the number one traffic source is, of course, YouTube search. So that's really important. But the external, which is basically Google, is about 22%. And then suggested videos, which YouTube does, is about 19%. So 90% of the searches come from Google or YouTube. So that's important to know. So the external source, as you can see, 52% is a Google search. You've got Samsung, Internet for Android, very small amount Facebook. Google and Facebook are not exactly the type of, they're not like working with each other. They're basically competitors. And then we go down a little bit farther, you go traffic sources, suggested videos. So these videos suggested our videos. And this shows you the percentages. And then at the very bottom, you got the playlists. And so that's to give you an idea of how to use these traffic sources. So YouTube searches are super important. So if I'm going to write anything about the Video Manager, like how to get to your Video Manager in YouTube, I'm going to make sure I use Video Manager as my key, in my title and as some keywords and tags and in the body of the description. So that's important to try to maximize your viewership by using that information. Oh, let me show you where you use it. So let's go to videos. So what I'm talking about, let's open this video, is over here is your tags. As you notice, I've got Video Manager as a tag. In here, how to play your uploaded videos in YouTube Studio Beta Video Manager. Put it in there. How to play your uploaded videos in YouTube Studio Beta Video Manager. So now it's 1, 2, 3 times in this video. So hopefully that will key some searches to be drawn to this video. All right, let's go back. And that is pretty much all she wrote for this video. Another one's coming soon. Bye.